All right. So we're going to talk about the grading and do some grading and look at the results. This user here reported that some of these were wrong. I reviewed a few of them. I identified the first one here. This one should be a winner. And let's look at the Tampa Bay Buccaneers under 41. So 26 and 7 is 34, 33. So that's a winner. So this one should be a winner. So let's look at the Chargers. Chargers, that's a loss. That's correct. This one is correct. Minnesota Vikings over 46. So that's 41. So I believe I said over. So that didn't get over. So that's correct. New Orleans Saints over 49. All right, so in case you're unaware, this is the total of both scores, and this would be 27. So the total of that would be 27, and he says over 49, which is indeed wrong. So Cleveland Browns here. So Cleveland Browns lost. So Cleveland Browns lost. So we can see which ones are losers. It appears these two right here. So we're going to do some grading. Then we're going to take a look at the results here and see what happened. All the games are finished. That's why I waited. I made some picks. There is another user making some picks. We're going to look at all three. Also, I'm going to leave this window open so I can copy this and see, maybe identify some problems. So first of all, let's take a look. The grading has been done. Let's take a look at the results. So let's look here where it put the results. It's not showing the results. Interesting. All right. So let's go back here and let's take a look at some of the other ones here. All right, so these don't appear to be graded. So it did not grade these. So let's look at the next one. I also made some picks here, and it appears that it has not graded anything. Oh, it graded one. So it did grade 1. It did not grade tonight's football game. Okay, let's try it one more time. So it shows Buffalo Bills. All right, let's take a look one more time here. Okay, so it did grade a few more games. The Buffalo Bills did win that game, so that's a good grade. The Toronto Blue Jays, did the Astros lose? Let's take a quick look at that. The Astros indeed lost, so that is also grading good. So let's take a look one more round here. So it did leave this one, and we have seen the grading, only a few. So let's take a look at the others. All right, still nothing there. So maybe it graded this one. So let's take a look at these. Okay, so let's Okay, so Buffalo Bills, that was a winner, and then Cincinnati Bengals under, which was a loser. Was it under 47? Let's take a peek. Was it under 47? Cincinnati Bengals right here. Oh, no. Cincinnati Bengals right here. No, it was not under 47. That is indeed a loser. And it's a loser. All right. So it seems like these only two were graded wrong from what I can see at this point. The grading seems to still be working, but again, it still seems to just be grading a few picks versus all the picks.